Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday, Merry Christmas, or Happy Holidays. So a couple things. Thank you for tuning in till today's video. This will be the last video of December and the last video of 2020. We beat the goal of subscribers by 26 or 27. So I really appreciate every single one of you. If you have not checked out last week's giveaway video, go ahead and check that out. The giveaway is open till the end of January. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. It's hard to show, there we go. And this is what it can look like once it's done. Again, mine's not perfect, but this gives you a general idea. I have all 200 fibers, black suede. This time maybe I'll put this back in. Now it's time to hook up the box. So it is sitting right here just as a holder. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this end with the coupler itself. So if you don't know, you go ahead and separate it like this, take the cap off, push this through. Actually, I'm sorry. Put the cap on first. Now push it through. So you're going to sandwich it with this rubber piece right here. This is gonna get squeezed by this piece when you clamp it all down, when you screw this on. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna hold this right here, and I'm rotating the left side specifically to try to hold the orientation of this to the rubber. Up. And see, a couple fibers did come out, so I need to go ahead and undo this now. Okay, so we got the fiber like coupling thing, if you will, on. We need to now connect it to the box and then put the box in its final home. and you're not seeing things, this has been wrapped with some the kill mat. I thought it'd be a good idea instead of it rattling inside there. Figured that would be a good idea. I did not block, obviously, this side and the bottom side. It's completely empty or opened up, so there's plenty of airflow to still go through. And the vent is on the back side, so should be perfectly fine. Okay, so we have plenty of slack on this, but remember there is a screw right here that we have to tighten down. Again, it's hard to describe how good this looks, but it's time to install them. And right here is the tab for the A-pillar, that guy right there. And again, you're going to rotate it either like forward 90 degrees or backwards 90 degrees. And then once it is, it will line up with the square, or the rectangle pattern will line up, and then you can slide this over. As you can see right there, now it's in. Let me try to get you the best angle I can on this. Now it's in. This is it. This is the final video of 2020. It's been one crazy year. I want to thank every single one of you for all the support, the comments, the shares, and everything else you've done for this channel. I'll see you guys around next year. Stay safe. Have a great New Year's. And I hope you enjoy your holiday. Stay safe, guys.